Yeah, thank you. Okay, Dorian, we're free to go.
Yeah, lunch is ready. Same place.
Photo, screenshot of the problem and send it there. Then, when you finish, you save and escalate. Just remember, save and escalate. Not, and you open the help section.
Put in something that can be able.
The entire session is very important, and to me it will be a positive start, given that last year club licensing we didn't perform very well, and what I've learned today will give me a plus so that I can also upgrade my papers, starting from sporting criteria, marketing part of it, infrastructure, and it will also enhance the entire football fraternity or teams to make sure that they comply or move from where they are to another level.
So today is the second day. It's the last day for both FKF PL clubs and also the NSL clubs. They've been taken through the system by the CAF officials. It's an online system, so they had to come with their laptops and they're taken through. There are issues questions which are arising from the members, the executives, club officials around data protection, about availability of the system, can it be hacked, what are the rights, all those technical terms were being taken care of, but also to understand the bigger picture of why club licensing and the basis behind it and what they need to meet, and what is the future also, because this is a progressive.